What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you the must goddess promotion codes. So if you're new to the channel, I will let you know how you can search for the last goddess promotion codes on the web. So what you have to do is to go to the Google Chrome and search for the less code as promotion codes, and you will see a lot of website that will pop up. One of the website that I really trust is the Reddit. Reddit is a community where people want to grow together and they share the promotion codes and the stuff for the game, so you guys can check it out without paying any money. So here you guys can see that join me in the Let's Codas. This is the promotion code. Here people are sharing their promotion codes, so you guys can see that this is the promotion code for this person, and the new joiner promotion code is right here. And there are other websites as well where you can get the promotion codes. For example, this website is known as the zle.io. It says that the list code's promotion code is RVH12A to redeem 20,000 gems free today. So that way how you can do it. So this is the right way, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.